Juju, let's watch this TikTok, okay?
I love TikTok.
Check that out, look.
I love that.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah, coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
Does it look good?
Yeah, it's whipped cream.
Look at that. What does that look like? What type of coffee?
It's a whipped cream coffee.
Like a whipped cream coffee?
Yeah,
What color is it?
brown and white.
Yeah, do you think we should make that?
Yeah.
I think we have all the ingredients. Should we try it?
Yeah, let's go. Woo-hoo.
You will need 4 tablespoons of instant coffee, 4 tablespoons of sugar. We used granulated cane sugar, and 4 tablespoons of water. We used hot water so it would mix better. You can either use more or less tablespoons as long as you use equal parts of each ingredient. Next is to whisk it all together. We only have a handheld whisk, so that is what we used. But if you have an electric mixer, that would be so much better. As you'll see, mixing with a handheld mixer took a long time, many breaks, and multiple people to mix.
This is taking forever.
We are 5 minutes in and it is not even close to being fluffy. All the recipes that we found have been saying that all you need to do is whisk for 4 to 5 minutes. No. My arm is hurting. Juju's dad has to come in and help, and we are still not to the texture that is showing on the videos. But we're getting close, so hopefully it won't take that much longer to get us to where we need to be. So we're gonna keep mixing. Oh my gosh! Check it out, Juju.
Oh, yeah.
What does it look like? All of our arms are hurting now. We are 11 minutes in. This is taking forever.
After about 15 minutes, we finally got the texture we wanted, whipped and fluffy.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Pour your favorite milk over ice. And then scoop the whipped coffee over your milk.
Our coffee is all done. Mommy, give it a try.
Okay, let's see what it tastes like. It's good.
Is it better or sour?
For the amount of time that it took me to do this, I don't think so. I would say it's pretty strong. It kind of tastes like Vietnamese coffee to me because it's really sweet with all the sugar, but you can really taste the caffeine. So I think I'm gonna give Juju's dad this since I don't really drink coffee that much. I can see why people like it though. I mean, I know there's a lot of people who like really strong coffee, and this is strong.
I like the Dalgona Coffee too.
You want a coffee like this?
Yeah.
Well, maybe we can make a kid's version. You want to do that?
Yeah, I want some pink icing on top and the blue icing on the down.
We just finished making Dalgona coffee. Juju, how about we make a Dalgona coffee for kids?
Yeah!
Now let's get our ingredients, okay?
Okay.
To mimic the whipped coffee texture, we are basically going to make our own whipped cream. You will need half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We only had vanilla syrup, so that's what we used. Now it's time to whisk.
Looks like banana.
Banana.
No, vanilla.
Oh, vanilla.
Vanilla. Vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla
Yeah.
ice cream.
It looks like vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
You can use brown food coloring if you really want to make it look brown, but Juju's favorite color is pink, so we put some pink icing in it.
It's turning pink.
So we have finished the pink whipped cream for our kids' Dalgona coffee. Juju, you want to taste it?
Yeah.
Just a little scoop. What does it taste like?
It's amazing.
Scoop your whipped cream over milk and it's ready to drink. Get ready for a sugar rush.
I'm going to drink my Dalgona Coffee. Let's see if it's good. Really good. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you next time. Thank you for watching Do This Living World. Be sure to like,